Traders, how's everybody doing? Let's go. Welcome to our brand new week. We are here doing our breaking news for our trading for this coming week. We are going to be reviewing the week of October 10 to the 14th. Hopefully everybody did make some money last week on the video that we did create. So, but welcome again to our Forex trading for this coming week, for the week of October 10 to the 14th. So we are gonna go ahead and start with the very first pair of the week, and that it is Euro Canadian. Pay close attention to what Euro Canadian is doing. Let's go ahead, guys. Let's get some money. All right, so this is what we're looking for in here, guys. I want you to understand exactly what I'm looking for. This is Euro Canadian. Always pay attention to what 4 hours and daily is doing. If you do see here, the 4 hours is giving us a pullback, and the daily time frame is letting us know the market it is bullish. So here's the bullish trend. Multiple time frame in here is buy. TW sniper entry is buy. Multiple time frame here is buy. TW sniper entry here is buy again, and boom, pay close attention what the market is doing. Market here is bullish, except why, if it's bullish, why we have 4 hours saying the market is selling, right? So let me explain the why. So basically what we're looking for in here is the following. Multiple time frame is letting us know that at this present time we are doing a pullback. So pullback still valid, guys. So last Friday October the 7th, market gave us an indication that it's gonna continue selling down on that pullback. So my opinion is the market still has potential to come back to your 38.2 Fibonacci level. If you pay attention in here, there is previous multiple time frame key levels in that area. From there, market will make a small retracement going through with the original trend, but overall that pullback still valid. So we're still gonna be looking for this coming week on Euro Canadian a pullback. Hopefully that makes sense to you. What do you guys think, guys? What do you guys think about this pair so far? All right, the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is Gbpjpy. Boom, let's go. This is one of the pair a lot of traders here on YouTube, guys, they love to tell you about what Gbpjpy is doing. Always be careful with the GBP, guys. Europe is not secure anyway to be trading, but let me show you what I'm seeing here on the market. Look at the dashboard, guys. This is what we're looking for. This is exactly the type of trades that we're looking for. Look at here. Like I said, we are here doing a pullback. So pullback still valid, like you see here. I'm not seeing anything else. Let me see if I can bring this up in here. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Look at here. So the 4 hours and the daily time frame is contradicting. So we again, guys, please be careful. We are here seeing a pullback. So multiple time frame is letting us know here that yes, we are in a buy position. TW sniper entry is also confirming. Look at the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. You tell me, it's a buy? Look at that trend. Boom, it's exactly doing what you are seeing here. The market here, it is bullish. It's not doing anything else. If you are seeing something else, please let me know. Except that we are doing a minor pullback. So market right now is in a pullback. So in my opinion, market has potential to still going down to your mid 61 to your 50 Fibonacci level. Why that level? Look at here. Look at to your left. We do have multiple time frame key levels in here, saying that that level is gonna be a continuation of this buy that you are seeing here. The market is gonna go all the way to your 78. Why 78? There's multiple time frame levels in there, and then it's gonna make a small retracement. Overall, Gbpjpy, guys, still selling. It still need more time for the market to continue in the buy position. Maybe it's gonna be ready on Tuesday or Wednesday, but all I can see right now is the market here, it is still in a sell position. Guys, do me a favor, guys. Remember, stop paying for signal. Do not waste your money on freaking signal, guys. Learn how to trade. If you guys want me to teach you how to trade, guys, let me know. Send me a private telegram or send me a or put it on the comment below, and I could do a private one-on-one with you this coming Tuesday or either Monday, whatever days you guys want. Let me know. I can make a video for you, bring you into our Zoom class so you can learn how to trade this one. But I don't want you to be paying for signal. Stop wasting your money. Remember, we are reviewing, guys, something very powerful this week. This is our breaking news forex trading for this coming week, guys, for the week of October. What did you remember? October 10 to the 14th. So let's go. Hopefully all this makes sense. So the next pair that I have for everyone here, guys, it is GBP USD. Woo! I'm telling you guys, I get very excited, so just bear with me. Look at here, another pullback market this week, guys. If you are not be careful, the market will be, I'm telling you, it will be blowing your account, and people are gonna be, what? They're gonna be so damn upset, guys. And you don't want to be blowing your account. But overall, what I'm seeing here, guys, is the GBP USD is still in a buy position. TW sniper entry here as well is telling us that we are on that buy position. But look at here. What is that 4 hours? I mean, multiple time frame doing, saying on the dashboard, it's saying that we are doing a what? A pullback. And that is exactly what I'm seeing here. So overall, the market is still gonna be pushing between your 38 Fibonacci level. There is previous levels in here as well, telling us that that will be the continuation of that buy position. So all I'm looking for on GBP USD, guys, is I will not trade that pullback, to be honest. I will let the market to finish that sell position, and then maybe I will re-enter as soon as the multiple time frame signal pop in this area here. And then guess what, we all are gonna be going with the original trend. I ready to trend. The goal here, guys, is always trade with your trend. Your trend here is buy, market is doing a pullback, then continue that buy. Look, a lot of you guys love to put trend line. Even if you put a trend line in here, look at here. Look at here, market already came and retested that trend line. But in my opinion, it's gonna break and then boom, it's gonna retreat back to business. So be careful, please be careful. That's all I can tell you, okay? Because I don't want none of you guys to be blowing your account. Then you're gonna be like, what? Oh, yeah. And then, trust me, it's gonna be sad. All right, so what do you guys think so far, guys? Is any of this video making sense? Please let me know in the comment below. All I'm asking in favor, guys, is to support the channel. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. You can share this video with all the social medias around the world. Let us know what the market is gonna do this coming week, guys. I don't want nobody to be blowing their account, because we are gonna be trading. This is the week of October 10 to the 14th, trading here on our Forex Trading channel. So let's go. So the next pair that I have on the list, guys, it is USDCHF. Let's go, let's go. Let's give it a round of applause. Woo! I'm telling you, guys, this is the type of, I want everybody to pay attention to this one. This is, look, a lot of people will charge you, guys. That's what I always tell you. Stop wasting money on signal. You are wasting your money. Use the money to make more money. Use the money to make more money. Stop paying for fucking signals. Look at the dashboard. This is the type of trades that everybody should be looking for. Look at here. Well, look at what 4 hours and daily is telling us here. It's telling us, hey, buddy, we are on a buy position. What are you gonna do? That is the question. What are you gonna do? It's time to celebrate success. It's time to celebrate success. Look at the multiple time frame in here. Multiple time frame is saying that we're in a buy position. TW Sniper entry is also saying that we're in a buy position. Look at the multiple time frame here. Buy, 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 buy. Everything here is telling us that we are in a buy position. So if it's in a buy position, why in the hell people are gonna be looking for sell? So this is my opinion, guys. Market still has potential to go all the way to this previous multiple time frame. Once again, maybe another 20, 30 more pips. The market will be forming, guys, because market has been bullish since last week. Market here, actually, look, this is something that most likely people are not gonna teach you here. Market has been bullish since September, and we are already in October, so we are being in a buy position already for a month. So in my opinion, market still have another few 30, 40 more pips up, and then we're gonna be looking for a reversal coming to your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Why in there? Look at the previous multiple time frame key levels in there, confirming that yes, that will be a what? That will be a retracement. All right, then market from here, boom, is going to continue on that buy position. All right, any questions so far, guys? I wanted to let you know I really get very excited when it comes to do this, and hopefully the goal here is to teach you the reality, because a lot of people that you most likely that you are paying signal, they just telling you, oh yeah, take that buy on this particular level, blah blah blah, but they're not telling you what is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They're not gonna tell you that. Why? Because they want you to keep paying, you know, those $50, $60, $100 a week, and you keep blowing your account and you're not learning anything. The goal here on our Forex Trading channel, guys, is to give you knowledge. Knowledge is power. Always remember that. Knowledge is power. Always work hard for your dream. Don't give up. Work hard, because nobody's gonna do it for you. If you don't do it, if you don't push it to your limit, no one is gonna do it. So I want you to do that. Do what is hard today. Learn all the rules, and guess what? Your life of trading will be easy here on trading with our multiple time frame system. All right, let's review one of the next pair that someone asked me. I removed Eurusd this week, guys, because someone asked me to replace it with AUDUSD. If there's any pair that you guys want me to review this coming week, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to do it for you. Okay, I want you to remember that. All right. Oh, yeah. So here it is, your AUDUSD. Boom! Look at this beautiful pair. This trader said, Irvin, I'm super confused. I'm in a sell position. When can I get out of this pair? And I said, dude, look, this is what I'm seeing. You are absolutely correct. You are in a sell position. Look at the dashboard in here, guys. Look, this is the type of trade that everybody should be trading. Look at what? 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. Everyone in here, it is selling. Everyone in here is going with the trend. The trend is your friend until the market does a pullback, and then you will be blowing your account. But look at here, multiple time frame is confirming and saying that yes, we are in a sell position. Multiple time frame as well. Look at that sell position. Sell, sell, sell. Look at the stairs, guys. Look at this beautiful stair, confirming that yeah, we're still in a sell position. What's my understanding? Look at this magenta line that I just drew in here, guys. This magenta here, I drew it in there because market still has potential to come all the way to this magenta, which is gonna be your 0.62460 levels, and then from there, boom, market will be giving us a pullback to this previous multiple time frame once, multiple time frame twice, and there's multiple time frame in the past as well. The market will continue on that continuation of the buy of the sell position. But overall, AUDUSD, guys, still selling. We are looking for a pullback maybe on Tuesday, Wednesday. So what do you guys think so far, guys? Do you guys think this pair that I'm giving you this week makes sense? Please let me know in the comment below. Hopefully everything that I gave you today makes sense. If there's any pair that I totally forgot, please let me know in the comment below, or send me a private telegram, and I will do a video just for you so you can learn how to trade here on our multiple time frame system. All right, so but this was our breaking news forex trading for this week. Hopefully this is a must watch. Everybody should watch this video, so I don't want nobody to be blowing your account. Guys, I want you to do me a favor, guys. Please pray for the world, guys. Pray for Ukraine people. Pray for everyone in your family as well. Always be humble, respect each other, and always give your best to your best. God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States, guys, and I will see you back on our next video. Hasta la vista, baby. Let's go. Team with Irvin Forex Trading Channel. Boom.